Hey guys, I'm getting a lot of phone calls today. And honestly, a lot of people are getting panicked about recent budget announcements about negative gearing. First of all, property investing is not dead. Smart investors don't buy property just because of negative gearing. They buy property for long-term wealth creation, capital growth, cash flow, and strategic asset accumulation. According to the Albanese government, this budget was meant to reduce inequality and help young Australians get ahead. But it doesn't do that. This government loves spending, and it appears to be more of a revenue raising measure. Rather than focusing on productivity and encouraging business growth, this government has chosen to place greater tax pressure on Australians investing in assets like property and shares. And now we have to deal with it. So, from July 2027 onwards, under the proposed changes, investors who are purchasing established properties may no longer be able to access negative gearing in its current form. Negative gearing hasn't been removed. It has been restructured. Let's break it down simply. Imagine you earn 100,000 a year and your investment property makes a 10,000 loss after expenses. This is quite common in the first couple of years of holding a property. Under the current form, the 10,000 loss can be used to reduce the taxable income. So instead of being taxed on 100,000, you're taxed on 90,000. Under the proposed changes, that loss may not be immediately offset against your salary. I would like to underline the word immediately. Instead, it can be carried forward and used in future years. So for example, in later years, your property generates a 10,000 profit, means your property is positive geared due to rental growth or improved cash flow. That carried forward loss can be offset the profit, meaning you may not pay tax on that income. So rather than disappearing, the benefits is being deferred and applied differently across the investment timeline. The timeline has changed, but the long-term result is exactly the same. One more thing I want to add. In the trust and the company structure, it was same before these changes happened. This is why strategy matters more than ever. The investors who focus on quality assets, smart buying decisions, and long-term growth will continue building wealth regardless of policy changes. The ones chasing overpriced brand new properties purely for tax evasion may continue losing money year after year without creating any real financial progress. Tax benefits should never be the main reason to invest in property. The real goal is owning quality assets that will grow in value over time. I know there is still a lot of panic out there. People are still in doubt. People are still not sure if you should buy the property or not. So, if you're still not sure, if you're worried, please call me. Let's have a chat. Let's talk about investing.